Hello friends, today's video is about key reading and spelling rules related to the letter A. The 5 long A sound rules and 2 bonus rules with common exceptions will all be covered. Do stay connected till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Happiness Mintra. So there are 5 situations in which the letter A takes on the sound of A. The first is the magic E. So when we write a 3-letter word like this, it is can, ka-ana, can. But when we add a E to the end, the vowel says A instead. So now we will read this as ka-a-n, cane. Similar is the case with a word like fat. When we add the E to it, it changes to f-a-t, fate. So cane, fate. Another example that we can take here would be dam, which becomes dame, dame. So this is the case of a magic E. Whenever there's a E in the end, the vowel before it always changes to its long sound. Many examples of such words can be seen. We have bale, gale, wade, lake, make. Longer words also, for example, grade, shake. So when we write a word like this, so we'll read it as grade, grade. Or we could have a word like chase, chase. Or something like flake, flake. So a lot of blend sound words again with the magic E are very commonly seen. Even for longer spellings and longer words, for example something like generate. So generate, generate, generate. So we have to just be careful that if there's a E in the end, then how would the vowel change the sound? So words like vibrate, legitimate, hesitate, behave. A very common word again, be and have. Behave. Now in this case, the most common exception which comes from behave itself is the word have. The magic E rule does not apply to the word have. So this is a very common exception to this rule. I hope this is very clear. There's a whole list of many words of magic E which the child can read and practice. Make sure that you read and dictate and practice the spellings as much as possible so that the child becomes confident in this concept. Now the next concept that we take up is of the AI words. So whenever we have these two vowels together, the common rule here says that when there is a vowel team, then the first vowel does the talking and the second one does the walking. So when we have these two together, the sound of the first vowel becomes primary. So we'll read it as A. So words like rain, main, and many other words, for example, laid. There are lots of words which would have the AI digraph in between. It is called a digraph, but you don't have to get into the technicalities, just understand the rule behind it. Longer words like braid, train. So many words like this again. And after the blend words, we have even longer sounds, longer words which follow the same rule. Obtain, refrain. So if we are able to break up the word like this, explain the rule to the child, it becomes easier for the child to understand how the spelling works. After this, we have the third rule, which is of the, I'll use another pencil for the third, another color for the third rule, which is of the AY sound. Now, often Y or Y is considered to be a half vowel, which case again the same rule applies. The sound of the first vowel becomes primary. So we have simple words, say, de, he, me. So it's said as sa, a, say, da, a, de. Simple. Longer words like pray, play, stray, and even longer ones like yesterday, yes, and day. Betray. So we have be, and a. So these are basic rules which don't just work for 3 or 4 letter words or even 5 letter words. They go on up to very long words as well. So once the child understands these rules, it becomes very easy for the child to pick up spellings as well as reading of bigger words. So the next rule that we have is for the EIGH. These letters, when they come together, also produce the sound of A. For example, A, T, 8. A, ne. Right? There are many more words like this. For example, freight. So, fr, a, t, freight. So, words like these, even a longer word. Then we could have neighbor. So, that's even longer. 18, freighter, weightless, all such words. Now, here we have some exceptions, which is height. Here we are not reading this as A, otherwise we would have called it her eight. So this is not hate, it is height. So this is an exception to the rule. So words related to height would not follow this pattern. So 2 common words here is height and sleight. This is the sleight of hand. When magicians do some kind of tricks, we often say that, they used a sleight of hand and something disappeared. So this is that word. Now in this, there's another combination. Just EI together also gives the sound of A. So here, words like rain, vein, and there would be many more words related to this. The veil which is worn by the people. Longer words such as reindeer is very common. Leisure, leisure, and even something like beige. So B-A-J, beige, which is a color, right? So we have this as another rule where the A sound is coming in. And after this, we have another option, EY. When these come together, we don't pronounce them as E. This also takes the sound of an A. For example, prey, birds of prey, or the deer is the prey of the lion, that one. They. So the and A. They. Obey. Longer words like convey. So convey. Survey. So they take in the sound of A, but they are written with a and a Y. In the EI words, let me get back this sheet itself. In this set of the EI words, there are certain words, especially when they come with a C, when they don't take the sound of A. For example, the word ceiling. So this is C and then a ling. Same goes for receive. So if EI comes with a C, with a K, then the rule of the A does not apply. So these are exceptions. Now the final rule for the A sound, before we go on to the two booster rules or the bonus rules, would be that of the open syllable. The open syllable rule. Now here it is important to understand how you segment a sound. This rule is based on the segmentation of a word. If the vowel is at the end of the syllable, then the sound of A is taken up rather than A. For example, there's a word like acorn. So when we read it as acorn. So we break it here. So acorn. Similarly, very simple, that's the name of a month. April. Word like hazy. So this is how we'll break it. So hazy, which is the reason here it is taking the A sound, because the point where we are breaking it, where we do the segmentation, has the vowel. So many words, baby, basic, bacon, favor. So let me write a couple of them. Favor. A very common word, table. So table. So this is where we are breaking the word, which is the reason it takes the A sound. For bigger words also the same rule would work. For example, a word like relation. So lay and then a shun. This is how we are breaking it. So here the sound is that of a A. Volcano. Another word, volcano. That is how we are segmenting the word. So for this, a little knowledge of segmentation is required so that it's easy to understand where the word should break, and then we can decide whether we need to have the A sound or the A sound. Now we'll go to the two bonus rules. Now the first bonus rule is that of the A-L-L family. Here it is always read as all. Whenever a and l comes together, it is always all. In fact, in many cases, just a single l is also all. Words like ball, tall. Words like all, ways. So here the entire rule goes as whenever these are together, the al, l, it is never read as al or ale, nothing like that. It is always all. Remember the sound. So whenever we hear the sound of all, we'll write al, l, where it is applicable. Of course, there are words with all like doll, which have the same sound. So when to use all and when to use all has to be taught. But all is always all. Remember that. And the next and final rule is for W and A. In most cases, when we have WA together, we always read it as wa. We don't say it as wa. Sometimes we do, I'll talk about the exceptions, but mostly it is wa. So we have water, we have was, and many words like this where wa and a becomes wa. These are very common words here. Now, if there is any other rules which we discussed earlier, then that rule is applied instead of this. For example, in a word like way, so we'll read it as wa and a, because the ay rule would apply here. Okay? If we have a word like wade, we wade through the water, so the magic e rule would apply here. We will not read it as wad. Okay, so these are two additional rules which are quite unknown but very helpful. I hope you enjoyed and liked all these rules. Do it with the children and make sure that the children practice as much as possible. Happy teaching, happy learning.